Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the last Schuyler sister, which is Peggy. Super simple for this outfit. You don't need a lot of stuff, but you do need this dress. But if you don't have it, you can actually use the witch set skirt. You're going to use this hair in bangs only in this color 4B2D1D. Adjust the Y position at 0.56. Get this one, color it the same color, position the Y at 0.42 and the Z at 0.60 and scale it to 0.33. Then get this one and color it the same color, no adjustments needed for that. Then you're going to get am I okay? Hello? Get this, wrong one. Get this one and the second toggle, no texture, and color it this color F7D17E in light silk, and then light silk again, and then color the rest this yellow. Then I'm going to grab this, turn off see-through, and do that same thing again, but now it's in light silk instead of silk. Then for the earrings, I try to make them different, so I just use this one and colored it all white. And then we're going to use this in yellow in light silk again. And then we're going to get this. And we're just going to do the only sleeves option in that yellow color and white. And that's it. You can add more details to it. I guess like you can add this maybe if you want to. I think I'm just going to stick with this though. You can like add the skirt in VIP2 to give more like volume at the back. Don't really like it though. So yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!